Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be doing a no borax slime recipe, and this is my first time making a slime recipe, so hope you guys enjoy it. So first I just mixed glue and guys, as I told in the previous video, I'm going to be giving shout outs, and to get a shout out all you need to do is answer the question asked in that video. As example, if this video's question is who is your favorite singer? So comment down below your favorite singer's name and one of you will get a shout out in my next video. Alright, so now I'm going to add the shaving cream, and remember this is not shaving foam, it is cream and it should contain borax or boric acid inside it, otherwise it will not work. And this is going to be our activator, so I'm going to take a little bit of shaving cream and mix it with some water. Alright guys, so I just skipped the whole part of activating it because it was taking forever. It will need a lot of activator, remember, but the end result was pretty good, and here is a little bit of ASMR for you guys.